Alright, I'm gonna rev it for Danny. Let me know when you're ready.
Alright, go.
Yo.
Literally so loud.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess they let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top.
Yo, YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are actually not in my car. I actually still don't have my F80 M3, but we are here today at our favorite shop in Orlando, WTF Motorsports. And by that title and that thumbnail, you guys already know why we're here. We are installing, or not we, WTF, aka Curtis, Raymond, and his helpers. They're gonna be installing an active Autowerke, non-resonated, equal length mid-pipe on F80 Danny's Avis Blue M3. So I just came by, wanted to get some content for you guys. Equal length mid-pipe videos always do well, so can't wait to show you guys the finished product. I know Danny's super pumped, super hyped to get this mid-pipe on, so I'm gonna bring you guys inside. But yeah, thank you guys for clicking on this video. If you have enjoyed the ramp up in videos these past couple weeks, please drop a like and hit that subscribe button. It is not a glorious day today in Florida. It is actually cold and rainy. I think Danny's F80 is already on the lift. So in this video, I'll probably insert before sound clips of our stock competition exhaust of my car, because I have a bunch of clips, and then we'll compare it to his after. But yeah, look, equal length mid pipe is such a game changer. Let's go.
Are we still doing B-roll?
No, you're good. Yo, F80 Danny back on the vlog.
YouTube. Today's the day. Getting my mid-pipe installed. Finally gonna be a loud boy.
Let's go. Non-res, equal length on the comp exhaust.
Yep, with stock downpipes. I think it should be just enough
Oh,
noise.
it's gonna sound money.
It's gonna be mid.
My man Curtis, as always.
Morning.
Good morning. And I didn't even know Jonathan was gonna be here. Tolson's in the house. What up? Tell the people, what are you doing today?
Clutch delay valve.
Clutch delay valve on
Doing,
his
the
Tanzanite M4.
Yep.
Tell them why you're doing that again.
Okay, so one of the biggest problems with these clutches is from going from first to second, the catch point is very unpredictable, and apparently this will fix that. So
It should.
yeah, and then Raymond says his G80 is sort of like that too, and he said on his G80, first to second, it'll literally grind because he has to wait a second before he has to shift. So we won't get that anymore either. But
And who makes this?
Huh?
Who makes this?
You're just taking it out of the,
Oh, you're
the
kicking
slave
it out.
cylinder.
Oh,
Yep.
word.
Free mod. Well, free mod.
Yeah.
You're just paying for labor at this point.
Yeah. Not bad. Worth it though.
Yep.
Damn, mod boys at the same time. My man Raymond. So we got both guys working on their cars right now.
All the way against this side.
Yeah.
It's just fitment.
That's just how they designed it.
So, and then like I was saying on that last batch, see this? Watch this. I think I might have to trim this more. Look at this.
Oh, damn.
So I cut like a little more there, and a little more there, just enough. But that's exactly what I had on the last one too. So I took a picture just now to show Carl and Rob.
So it's like the second batch.
It's the whatever the most recent.
Or the
batch
most
is.
recent batch. WTF, always working quick. Jonathan's CDV is already out. Curtis already has the mid pipe mocked up. Had to do some custom fab work, but They'll always take care of you, that's for sure. And then Danny's also came with the spacer block from Active, similar to mine, because Jonathan over there has had many issues with the rattle. But I haven't had any, so knock on wood, hopefully Danny doesn't either.
That's for like.
Tell the people, where'd you get the mid-pipe?
So, mid-pipe from a secret source, actually. That's not allowed to disclose where, but I got an insane deal. You
Insane
can't get
deal.
this deal from Active, and I got it for a steal. Amazing price directly from Active, so hit me up. You need a mid-pipe.
This brings me back to my mid-pipe install day. One of the best days of last year.
For real.
Danny's been in the market for an exhaust / mid-pipe for a while, but
Long time, been looking at a lot of different setups, but this is the way. Non-res equal length.
the way.
Stock pipes. You know the way.
when a deal comes up like this, you can't pass up.
Do you know the way?
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 Face it, you're never going to get my power.
Do you know the way?
Definitely get some after clips for you guys, even though it's raining outside, but ooh, look at this, direct bolt on for the most part. Curtis had to do some cutting, but everything is basically plug and play, a direct bolt on to the downpipe side, and then you have the mid pipe, and then here's the non-resonated section. For those of you guys that don't know, they also sell a resonated section as well if you have catless downpipes, but since Danny has stock downpipes, the non-resonated is the way. Got this beautiful Z3M, a little intake inside, Turner Motorsport, dry carbon fiber intake. You can see the filter in there. Absolutely beautiful build. What a beautiful sight. We got Jonathan's M4, Danny's F80. We got an M3 over there. We also got Curtis's E90 over there. Just another day at the shop.
Alright, ready?
First startup.
Actually makes some noise.
I love the startups on the equal length. What'd you just ask again?
So on startup, the car's gonna be making pops now.
Yes, sir. When I had my just the equal length mid pipe on, I would always start it in sport, and then you guys know I actually unplugged my valves. But that initial startup, it just looks like, bow, bow. He lives in an apartment with a parking garage,
Extra loud.
so it's gonna be extra loud, yeah. And then for the first, like, I think it was like 30 seconds, if you like drive off right away, it's like insanely loud.
Yeah, Bimmer link, so I'm gonna be opening up the valves.
Oh, for sure, yeah, yeah.
Whenever I get in, so
Yeah.
it's gonna be
Yeah.
I love this setup.
That was only like 3K. Sounds so good. This man's already has a CDV done. Shout out to Raymond. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. I'll leave a link down below. He's gonna
Everyone on my channel already follows this guy, so I can say to follow him.
follow him.
It's loud. I don't think secondary cats made that much of a difference, but
yes.
it's crazy. It's actually crazy. So, can make some noise.
Yeah.
Okay with the voice.
Just wait till this first
Quiet.
drive. This first drive is
Oh, yeah, I
gonna
know.
be.
It sucks that it's raining out today.
Yeah,
but I'll still
yeah,
give it
yeah.
a little rip.
You might get a little sideways,
Yeah,
but
a little bit.
you'll just hear that first drive. I just had a huge smile on my face.
Yeah.
I know Jonathan did for sure too.
Oh, yeah, for
When he
sure.
installed yours, hell yeah. Equal length boys, everybody.
Yep. And then when I got the new MPE exhaust, oh my god,
Oh,
it was,
yeah.
it was another again.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's how I feel with the downpipes, literally. It's another day at the shop, boys. Danny's car is back on the lift. We got to make some small adjustments to his exhaust tips.
You're on the vlog, Paul.
Let's go. Follow my boy Paulie. Alright. F80's back on the ground. The exhaust tips look way more flush and even now. Shout out to Curtis for the adjustments.
The active Autowerke fitment.
Here we go, round 2, start up. That's valves closed. Open it up. Yo, I gotta do that and then I gotta get your reaction for that. One more. Do it again, do it again.
Alright, so valves closed.
Yep. Valves closed.
Oh my god, I'm never
Bro,
getting tired of
it's
that.
night and day, bro. Night and day different. This is literally my face, literally every drive.
That's beautiful.
You guys hear it. It sounds
beautiful.
It just wakes it up. Super smooth, no rasp.
Amazing. Just go get yourself an active mid-pipe.
Yeah, this is the solution.
Yes.
This is the code. That paint though. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, initial thoughts?
Insane.
Insane.
I'm so happy.
Hell yeah. All right, Danny's gonna rev it for us. Woo!
Ready?
Ready. Here, let me rev it for you. Let me rev it for you.
Let me get my...
All right, I'm gonna rev it for Danny. Let me know when you're ready.
Alright, go.
Yo.
It is literally so loud.
All right, boys, that's gonna wrap it up for this week's video. My boy F80 Danny with the equal length mid pipe at
WTF.
the one and only WTF Motorsports. Make sure you guys give him a follow. We're gonna do some more videos with his mid pipe for sure soon.
Yes, sir. Stay tuned. We got a leather cleaning video coming up.
Oh yeah, for sure. We got videos
we
planned.
got a lot planned.
We got videos planned.
Yeah,
Make sure you guys give him a follow. We'll do some more POV driving and then like with him as well, but he's got to bounce. But yeah, I know he's happy with that mid pipe.
So happy.
Let's get it. Later. All right, before we close this one out, we got to hear Jonathan's new exhaust setup. Tell him what you got.
Active Auto catless downpipes, Active Auto equal length resonated, and then the MP V1.
Hell yeah. So it's basically what you guys have heard before, but now he has the MP with it, so I think it's gonna sound insane. Oh yeah. Wow. Sounds good. And you can hear the turbos.
Yeah.
That's the one flaw in my setup right now. I don't think I can hear the turbos, but that sounds sick. The MPE tone is just like unmatched.
Yeah.
It sounds so sick. And his setup sounded good before, but how you liking it?
Love it. It like made me love the sound again. So.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's in the same boat I'm in, so game changer mod.
Yep.
But make sure you guys follow him. It's gonna wrap it up for this week's video. We'll see you later, baby. We are back in the car now. We just left WTF Motorsports. Shout out to Curtis and Raymond for always taking care of the homies and I. Make sure you guys give them a follow and hit them up if you guys need anything done to your BMW or your German car in general. But yeah, the equal length sounds so good, as you guys can hear on both Danny and Jonathan's car. It's such a game changer mod for the S55 platform. It just smooths out the sound, gets rid of the rasp that everybody hates. I'm pumped for both of them. Both of their setups sound amazing. We'll definitely do a comparison video soon. with all our different setups. And then I think I'm picking up my car tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Finally gonna get the car back. We'll probably make a wheel reveal video next, so you guys don't want to miss out. That's gonna wrap it up for this week's video. Let me know what you guys think about Danny and Jonathan's exhaust. We'll definitely get some more videos with both of their exhausts very soon. Some driving clips, comparisons, so you guys don't want to miss out. But that's gonna effectively end this week's video. Please drop a like, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video, which should be the wheel reveal with my new HRE setup. Stay tuned for that. But we'll see you for the next one. Take care. Peace out.